Habikiran bikinong patay kubor hadian balawai ke Jingelang. Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma Uloong baka kenun Menteri Jingmynjur Bantung Kampurai kinos hapok ke Meghalaya Nursing Service Appointment tung di staff nurse, but auxiliary nurse, but midwife hagasnam arhajar arpua. Kesorkar ke Thung Pura ya pelat lai hajar Ngut kinong teri ke belasyu Thung kum ki Adhoc aswa una opera agasnam arhajar nyo kebala pensyong nongrem kat kum ke hukum jongki syari bahaya dua jongkari ke Supreme Court. Konrad Kongkal Sangma Uloong bagat tenat kakot kakya kalawan ra ekathop jong gumbasya hajar Ngut kinos ki bahap akan kajuk kathop ya ki bala Thung kam kum ki Adhoc agasnam arhajar nyo hubunai opera. Kumta ada kebasya me kajuk kesenjam kesorkar kelarai Bantung Kampura yakini.
Regularization of the cadre under the Meghalaya Nursing Service appointment to the post of staff nurse and an auxiliary nurse and midwife. As you're aware that in 2022, if I'm not wrong, we had taken a decision to regularize employees who were appointed on ad hoc basis against sanctioned post, which means that it was a sanctioned post, but the proper process of regularization, the proper process of recruitment was not conducted, and hence they were on ad hoc basis. And based on a Supreme Court ruling, we had gone ahead and regularized those who were appointed to such sanctioned post on an ad hoc basis pre-2008, which means 2007 December. And based on that, close to about 3,000 employees were regularized who were appointed on an ad hoc basis, were regularized about a couple of years back. And later on, again, a list of more people who were eligible and falling in that category were again brought to the cabinet, and we regularized those also. Similarly, today, the health department had brought a list of close to 1,000 nurses who are also in that same category, who have been appointed before December 2007 and was against a sanctioned post but done on an ad hoc manner. So hence, following the same yardstick and the same rules that were applicable to all the other employees appointed in that manner, the cabinet today has decided that we will regularize those who were appointed on ad hoc basis against sanctioned post before December 2007.